Hello everyone, today I'll be making honey wheat bread using our Regal Breadmaker. If you're new to our channel and would like to see more recipes, please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications for new videos. I would like to thank my cousin Amanda for our custom glass cutting board and my cousin Stephanie for our custom towel and oven mitt. Please see a link in the description where you can also order custom items from both of them. I have always wanted to make homemade bread, but I find it too painful to knead the dough. We were recently given a bread maker by a family member and thought that a bread machine video would show this as a good option if you still want fresh bread and have some of the problems that I do. Okay, let's get started. First, we add all of the wet ingredients: water, oil, and honey. The only dry ingredient we're going to add at this part is the salt. Okay, now gently add in your dry ingredients: bread flour, whole wheat flour, and on top of your flour add a small shallow well to add your yeast, making sure it doesn't touch any of the wet ingredients. Now carefully place the pan into the bread machine until it's locked in place, and then close the lid. As you can see here, this machine has multiple bread options. We're choosing the rapid setting, and then press start. Today we're making honey wheat bread. However, you can make sweet bread and other recipes that are usually included with your bread maker. So for this video, we decided to make 2 loaves of bread, one with the paddle left in and another removing the paddle just before baking. Here I'm removing the loaf with the paddle left in. Be very careful removing your bread, as we had to edit out the part where I got burned. Here you will see the paddle left a hole and a tear. Okay, now we're preparing our second loaf exactly the same way. Only this time, before the bake cycle, I remove the dough, then the paddle, then replace the dough back into the machine once the paddle's removed, and continue the bake cycle. Okay, and here you can see both loaves have a hole. The one with the paddle left a tear, but both loaves were delicious. If you have some yummy bread ideas that you'd like me to showcase on our channel, please share them in the comment section. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to friend me on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.